25 F-150 4x4 Super Crew STX, $48,598. 26 Ford Escape all-wheel drive, $29,978. 25 Ford Maverick, $28,535. At Ray Varner Ford, we're ready for wherever spring takes you. Local you trust, a ride you can afford.
Good morning, happy Thursday. Thanks for checking in with your morning weather update here on the East Tennessee Weather app. And I sure hope you have a great day today. It's going to be a steam bath today, thanks to a ridge of high pressure that continues to dominate the weather pattern. But as we get into the day tomorrow, we've got a lot more moisture that's going to be surging its way into the area as a cold front comes sliding its way on through. And that is going to produce the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we get into our Friday. We'll dry out likely on Saturday, but then another risk or some more rain, I should say, as we get into Sunday. And as I mentioned, it's going to be an incredible steam bath for the next couple of days. But eventually, as we get into next week, the other side of the story is improving weather conditions, cooler temperatures, drier air, and we'll kind of shut things down for just a little bit, at least this extreme heat. So we start the morning off with temperatures trending a little bit warmer than yesterday. When you look at the numbers, we're in the 60s and 70s. We'll have a little bit of a breeze throughout the day today, but kind of like what we saw yesterday. Temperatures do top out in the upper 80s to low 90s, likely to be a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday as well. And that pushes our heat index value in the mid to upper 90s with maybe some low 100s across the area. So definitely another hot day. Minimal chances for rain today, maybe a couple of pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the higher terrain, isolated, super isolated in nature. But as we get into the day tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has put us under a level 1, level 2 risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. So let's go ahead and walk you through that. Here's our Futurecast Friday morning. We're going to start off nice, quiet, and calm. And as we get into the lunch hour, should be doing just fine. But as we get into the afternoon and into the early evening hours, our peak heating of the day, that's when these showers and thunderstorms will start to come racing on through the area. So a line of showers and storms is looking possible. Locally heavy rainfall. Most of us will probably get some sort of rain. And we have a flooding and flash flooding concern because we have a lot more moisture to kind of surge its way back in. Main threats for damaging for severe weather is going to be damaging hail or the potential for some larger hail and severe wind. So damaging wind, large hail, locally heavy rainfall. Tornadoes are not on the table. And we should dry things out on Saturday, although there is one little model indicating that we could see a quick little disturbance bring us maybe some showers and thunderstorms late in the day on Saturday. But right now I'm going to keep it 0%. We'll bump that up again as we get into our Sunday as another cold front heads our way. And next week, we're not necessarily going to shut the rain chances down behind the cold front. We're going to keep those a little bit more elevated next week. So let's show you what it looks like in the big picture. Here's Friday, 7 o'clock at nighttime. Again, there's that frontal boundary moving its way on through. So as we get into our Saturday, high pressure is the name of the game, although there is a little upper level wave. That's going to be, we need to watch closely. This model is my in-house model, and that's picking it up and kind of swinging its way into East Tennessee, and that would be 7 o'clock on Saturday. Now, this is like the only model that's indicating this, so let me just throw that out there, but I don't want you to be caught off guard if all of a sudden the forecast changes for Saturday, and you're like, I thought Saturday was going to be dry. That's why I'm trying to explain it to you. I'm keeping it dry for now, but we're going to see what the next couple of model runs do for Saturday. If it indicates this storm's going to come on through, we'll be adding showers and thunderstorms to your forecast on Saturday. Here's our Sunday cold front. It's going to come on through, so Saturday should be mostly dry. Sunday, a cold front comes on through. That's going to elevate our rain chances once again, but we're looking at a lot more rain as we get into next week as well, where some of the models are indicating upwards of 2 to 3 plus inches of rainfall, so a wet weather pattern and likely a cooler and drier weather pattern. The air is going to dry out just a little bit, but not until next Tuesday, Wednesday. Other than that, high dew points stick with us. Upper 80s to low 90s all the way through Sunday, basically. And then next week, temperatures will be in the 70s and low 80s, but elevated rain chances are on the way. So hot and steamy today, severe weather possible tomorrow. Watching Saturday's potential for rain, but right now keeping it dry. Sunday, another cold front comes on through, and then elevated rain chances as we get into next week. There is your synopsis weather forecast. Of course, you can always get a shortened version of this called Witcher's 1 Minute Weather on the East Tennessee Weather app. You can also get these on YouTube and social media. All right, my friends, I sure hope you have a great day today. Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you back here soon.